On today's body cam, we're checking out woman speeds off from police after her boyfriend allegedly assaults her.
County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to a strip club in reference to a fight that occurred.
No, she's not arguing up what's hers.
I understand, but come over here for a second, please.
Okay, but can I give her my key? Get inside.
Let's get in the car.
Stop!
Go.
Stop! Oh, this is what I'm saying. Walk from over there.
What an idiot.
Having car taken off for your description.
Looks like we're going to be pulling into quick store.
Well, you just turned this into you might have went to jail to you're definitely going to jail.
That just hit me dead in my eye.
Turn around.
Oh, here we go with the crying.
In my eye, bro.
Why'd you take off from us?
Because, bro, I'm trying to get away from him. He just hit me in my eye.
He hit you in your eye?
Yes, he hit me in my eye.
Who's he?
My kid's dad.
Which one was he?
The fat, light-skinned one with the tattoos on his arms. He hit me in my eye. I'm trying to go home. I'm just trying to go home. I'm trying to get away from him.
We were all there. You think that was the wisest thing to do?
Yes, I'm trying to go home, bro. I don't even want to do all this. Like,
Do you think that was the wisest thing to do? And her response is yes. Oh boy. They don't make them too bright nowadays, boy.
Like, I'm just trying to go home, bro. I'm just trying to go home. Like, he hit me in my eye. So I'm the one getting handcuffed. Did y'all handcuff him?
Well, you took off when we were trying to talk to you.
I'm just, bro, he's bigger than me. He's bigger than me. Do y'all see how little I am?
We were
all standing bro, that he don't care. He don't care, bro. And y'all trying to treat me like the
You
like,
took off.
I'm trying to go home, bro. I just want to be away.
That dude that was standing by the car with the apple juice?
Exactly. He's the short. He's the short. Y'all know him, bro.
We don't know him, and we would have talked to him, but you took off, and we all had our attention on you.
I'm just trying to go home.
Well, that was
bro.
pretty stupid of you.
No, it's not stupid. That's bigger than me.
What's
You
your
see how
last name?
small I am?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Bro,
5, 6,
no, bro. It's happened before.
What's
bro.
your last name?
I don't have no criminal background or nothing. I'm trying to get away from him.
Well, now you do.
I'm just trying to go home.
I'm gonna sit you in my car for now, okay?
Baby daddy, him? Baby daddy?
I'm gonna double walk these steps in here.
Yes, that's him. That's him. That's cool. I don't care. Like, I'm just trying to go home, bro. I don't want all that drama. I don't got time for that. I came out to have a good time. I don't have no criminal background or nothing. I have a clean background. I'm just trying to get away because I don't want to get my ass beat by somebody that's bigger than me, bro. This is why I wanted to go home.
What's his name?
His name is Aries, bro. Like, I'm just trying to go home. I'm not even trying to act erratic.
Thank you.
But y'all see how small I am against him, gang? Like, come on, bro.
His first name's Aries.
You been drinking or anything?
Come on, bro. I don't even
Park ticket.
You called the...
What's that?
Oh, he's calling me.
Oh, is it? I think she's connected to code to this.
Hang on here. No, you can't.
So what happened at the lumberyard?
So she is drunk? She's drunk right now? Is that what the reason?
They're tight.
I put money pretty loose.
Nah, gang, this shit hurt.
Lean forward.
It hurt. And I have a fucking,
Oh, yeah,
I just
those are both loose
recovered
on
from
there.
a dislocated knee. Like,
are both
come
on
on,
there.
bro.
Well, that's
Can
your
y'all,
hands,
can
that's
y'all
me.
please, like, I'm just trying to go. I don't have no background. Y'all can pull me up and look.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? A lot of people don't have a background, right? People that actually end up having a background and getting in trouble, they all start off with no background. And guess what? You took off from all the officers. So now you're going to have a background. Hopefully you get you a nice lawyer or, even a public defender, something like this, because the judges nowadays, listen, just pay the fine. Nothing's going to happen. But all the boo-hooing and everything like that, your story doesn't add up. If he just rocked you, right? He just knocked you out, right? Or whatever. Okay, that makes sense. If you call for help or whatever, and now the officers are there, that you're not in the same vehicle, right? You're in the vehicle. He's outside of the vehicle. So things make sense. Now all the officers are there. You should feel safe. But no, you take off and then you start the sobbing, and now you come up with the story of that he just hit you in the face. Well, let's see if she got any marks or anything, because he is a bigger guy. We seen him. If he rocks her, she gonna have something, man. She gonna have something.
He's chubby,
It's a white
Hispanic, maybe.
A white shirt on?
Yeah.
The guy who was all tattered?
No, not the guy. She was not the guy you were talking to.
Oh, I thought she said it was the big light-skinned guy with all the tattoos.
Well, yeah, but there was.
The dreads?
He was pretty drunk, whoever.
Did he have dreads and all tattered?
No.
Okay, this guy was
He
dreads
was on the
and
other
all
side of their
tattered.
car.
What?
Okay.
I'm just getting claustrophobic. You just leave the door
Okay, we're
open?
gonna get him here and talk, and then.
Okay, I'm not gonna jump out. Can you just leave the door open?
No, because I
I'm
walked away from my car.
Claustrophobic.
Back where she can't see me.
Well, interference right now, but she drove away from us while we were trying to talk to her. All of a sudden, got in the car.
Is that the one you blocked in, basically?
Yeah. She had to back out to go around.
You almost totaled two cars today.
Here's your phone. I'll put it up here. It's a desk.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it died?
Yeah.
Is he coming over here? Or?
Yeah, he's on his way.
Says he is. That's the person.
Just throw it in my cup holder.
Yeah, supposedly. I can roll the window down for you a little bit.
Please don't.
Correct. Oh, what?
Please don't.
Really?
I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, he's on his way here apparently. She's drunk, he says, but I don't see.
Like the wind's blowing too much, you can't get anywhere. Maybe we could just walk the traffic.
He claims he's not drunk, but there's no way she's going to let him take her car. Does the car come back to her?
We should
They
convince
said it did.
Take her
So-
back to Kansas.
So what happened, he says, is security pushed her out because they were kicking her out and she wouldn't leave, so they pushed her out. She thought he pushed her and then freaked out on him, and then we got the call because she started calling 911. So does she have any marks on her?
Having what?
Marks on her?
Not that I could see, no.
But no,
She said he hit her in the eye, and she didn't have any marks on her
friend
eye.
said over there, too.
they're saying that he hit her? He's walking down here. Suppose we could go see if he's walking and pick him up and get him.
I don't know who we're looking out for.
He's carrying a jug of apple juice.
Is she good to go, or do you guys want her for anything?
Are you letting her go?
Or are we going to take her for interference?
It's your call, I guess. I'd give it to her, I guess, because he claims she's drunk.
Yeah, but then
It's a very.
why didn't we do an OWI?
Is what?
Why didn't we do an OWI?
I'm just trying to feel it's usually. At the very least, you can check their eyes.
Yeah.
I got it.
What's up?
I was just going to take her for interference.
That's kind of what I was thinking too, but then you were saying let her go. I was just going to take
No,
her.
I wasn't going to let her go.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm good
I
with
meant get out of here.
No, he was saying get out of. Yeah, he's about to say it, but yeah, no, he's saying, do you need him? Do you need her for anything, like any more questioning or whatever, or am I good to go and continue on? Taking her down to the jail or whatever the case may be to get her booked and processed or whatever. But yeah, man, this is just a cluster. So I wonder if he's gonna get jammed up. She said that she got punched in the eye, but there's no signs of that. You got her friends that said that he hit her or whatever, but they're friends, I mean, similar to the case that we seen a little earlier, that where the white lady and the black lady Taco Bell incident or whatever, where the daughter is siding with the mom, and then her coworkers of the black lady at the Taco Bell, the coworkers is siding with, you know, the one that works there. You see, so with friends and stuff like that, people that you know, they're going to side with whoever, you know, whoever side they're on. You know what I mean?
Like, go to the jail with it.
Oh, I thought you were just letting her go. I'm like, she just fucking almost hit your car. Okay, no, I'm good with interference.
You're like, no, don't do that.
Let's see what he says, I guess. And we could be the impound. If you want to take her, we'll impound her car.
That sounds good.
Chance to get her out of here.
Yeah, I'll get her going.
They really want to
Thank you.
Yeah.
Am I going to jail?
Hey, are you fine with your friends taking your car?
Yes.
You're fine with that?
Am I going to jail?
Yeah, you are.
Wait, but for why? I'm not doing anything. I was trying to get away from him.
Yep.
He's
All right.
bigger
See
than
you, Rose.
me.
Thank you.
No, bro, please. Don't bro. Please. I didn't need my phone.
I got your phone.
My phone.
It's up here. It's up here.
All right, you can roll it up. Let's go, boys.
I'm trying to get away from him. I don't have no
109 transport.
I'm not no bad person.
Oh my god.
I'm just a mom.
Female from the.
I'm just a mom.
Jail starting at 69.
Can you go back so I can talk to
Yeah,
him? Please. Y'all can see I don't have no background.
That doesn't matter. We were trying to conduct an investigation while you guys were fighting, and you took off. You almost.
Fighting. He was trying to get in my face, and I was trying to leave.
Okay, and that's what we were trying to figure out, and then you decided to leave and nearly hit my car.
I can't go to jail.
Well, you're going to jail. Why do you think we showed up, and then you decided it's time to drive away?
Background.
That doesn't matter. Not when there's 10 cops there trying to figure out what we're doing, and you take off.
Already hit me in my face, and I just handcuff him.
Well, maybe we could have talked to him more if you didn't take off from us and take us all away from that scene.
Pulled over.
Unbelievable.
Can y'all please get my phone? I don't know nobody's number.
Yeah, grab it.
She was then booked into the Polk County Jail, where she was charged with interference with official acts. If you enjoy the content,
Unbelievable. She wouldn't have been getting charged with anything if she would have just stayed put.
ShyGotEm.